Hello students, today we discuss about the applications of protoplast culture. So I have already discussed about the protoplast and isolations of protoplast in previous videos. So you have to listen that videos regarding the protoplast cultures and isolations of protoplast. So today we discuss about the applications of protoplast. So in that first is regarding the protoplast cultivations. So in case of the certain plants like tubers or bulbs, they are facing various problems regarding the cultivation, but if we can use the protoplast culture of such a plants, they will be easily grown. Then second application is the clone formation. So clone, that means the plant which are look true to these parents. जो parent plants रहता है उसी तरह जो हम न्यू प्लांट डेवलप करते हैं वो तैयार हो जाता है. So due to this protoplast cultivation, the this is also called as the clonal propagation method. So these if we can raise the plant through this protoplast cultivation, we can got the true plant look like the mother plants. Then next is about the disease free plant production. If we can use the protoplast culture in aseptic condition, the plants will develop, the developed plant will be disease free. So this is also another application of protoplast culture. So and that will be helpful to for the cultivations. Then next is the somaclonal variations. So in somaclonal variation, we can these plants raised by the protoplast cultivation shows variations in genetic constitution as well as phenotypic appearance, and that means the somaclonal variations will observed in the plants. In other words, these cultivations of plants shows natural variations in protoplast cultivations. So if we can use the protoplast culture, the genetic as well as the phenotypic variations or phenotypic appearance we can see in the such a types of plants, so they can ultimately develop the natural variations in the different plants. Then second is the gene manipulations. That means in protoplast, or if we can add the foreign gene with the cell wall, they cannot accept these foreign genes. But if we add the foreign genes after removing the cell wall, that means in the protoplast, on protoplast, if we can add the foreign genes, they will be accept easily and they develop the hybrid plants. So such a types of plants are known as the GM plants or gene manipulated plants. These GM plants shows the better characters like disease resistance, high yield, or NEF genes. So this is also the another important aspects of the protoplast culture. Then third one is the mutation breeding. Mutation breeding, that means on the protoplast there will be the protoplast will treated with the mutants like physical mutants or chemical mutant. So these plants raised by these mutant protoplast shows the desirable characters which or those who are selected. जो भी हम कैरेक्टर्स जो हमें प्लांट्स में चाहिए वो कैरेक्टर्स हम पा सकते हैं यदि हम उस पर फिजिकल और केमिकल म्यूटेंट का ट्रीटमेंट कर सकते. So this is also the another applications or important applications of the protoplast culture. Then next is about the somatic hybridization. Somatic hybridization, that means in that two different types of protoplast are used, and they are united, and these two united protoplasts grows as a new hybrid plants. So you can mind the one example, that is the tomato. With the help of potato and tomato, this tomato plant will be developed. This is the one of the important functions of the protoplast culture. So these all are the applications of the protoplast cultures. In that, first one is the in protoplast cultivation, that means in overcoming the propagation problems, also the clone formation, disease free plant production, then somaclonal variations. So these are the some applications of the protoplast. Then also we can, another important application is the gene manipulation, that means we can add the foreign genes on the protoplast. Then the mutation buildings, in that by using the different chemical or physical mutant we can develop the hybrid plants. Then somatic somatic hybridization, that means on that somatic hybridization we can use the two different protoplasts, and through these two different protoplasts we can develop the hybrid plant. So these are the applications of protoplast. So these are the very various applications that are used by the protoplast culture. So this is the last point of your plant tissue cultures. If any question you can ask me on the groups. So now I stop here.